Hey there, Dave Adams reporting in from Loon Lake here with the Peterborough Paddling Club. Hey everybody!
Hello!
Hey. We're just wrapping up a wonderful evening celebrating the summer solstice. We had a great picnic up front to kick things off.
Oh, how nice!
Never heard actually anybody give it time.
We've got brats and we got chicken and we've got couscous, salad, we got pizza, cookies for dessert, pizza being warmed up on the grill, Caesar salad, and the best part is there's no mosquitoes. And beverages. Cheers! We sure hope that you want to join us again. We've got people of all ages, all skill levels, all types of cooks who have been out tonight. So come on out, go to our website, go to our Facebook page, sign up, look at the schedule, and join us on Wednesday nights. Hope to see you out here soon.
That was great.